Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the network has revealed another big batch of new details about Samsung's most futuristic Ultra flagship. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's new autonomy details, launch timeline, phone specifications, smartphone cost, and other new exciting details have leaked. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung launched its flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra earlier this year, and the leaks and rumors about its predecessor, the Samsung S26 Ultra, have already started to circulate online. The smartphone could launch officially around January or February next year, alongside the basic Galaxy S26 and special edition Galaxy S26 Edge model. New reports suggest that the future handset could pack a similar 5000 mAh battery capacity as last year's Galaxy S25 Ultra had. If we look at previous year's trends, Samsung typically launches the new S-series models in January every year and the sales start in February. Next year, too, the Samsung S26 Ultra is expected to be announced in the last week of January, and could hit the market by the first week of February. What are the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra expected phone specifications? According to a tipster, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's battery could be under 5000 mAh if the company increases the capacity of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery. While everyone praised the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery optimization, competitors boast 6000 mAh plus silicon carbon batteries. Additionally, Chinese flagships also offer 80-watt plus wired and 50-watt wireless charging. However, Samsung still provides 25-watt or 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless, though the tech giant is tipped to improve the charging capacity to 45 watts. Additionally, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, with a peak brightness of 3000 nits. It is also rumored that the handset will have an under-display selfie camera. Under the hood, the device may come equipped with the yet-to-be-announced Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, built on a 3nm process. For software support, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will likely run on One UI 8 based on Android 16. For cameras, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to retain its quad-camera setup, comprising a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera, and a 10-megapixel 3x zoom camera. The phone is tipped to house a 12-megapixel under-display selfie camera. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra with higher memory option will be priced around $1,700. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.